Nick Rutter from McKees37.com. In this video, I'm going to showcase the Wheel Woolies line of automotive detailing brushes. What you see first is the Wheel Woolies 3-piece kit. This consists of 3 brushes ranging in size from 8, 12 to 18 inches. These brushes are great because they allow you to clean the barrel of the wheel and behind the spokes. Each brush has a flexible handle along with a non-slip rubber grip, and each brush has a head that's constructed of a synthetic material to remove brake dust and road grime. For the face of the wheel, look no further than the Wheel Woolies 9-inch Boar's Hair wheel brush with its flag bristles and non-slip grip. For the nooks and crannies, they've got you covered there too, with the 1-inch Boar's Hair round detail brush. Cleaning your wheels is simple. Use McKees 37 foaming wheel cleaner gel and spray the face of the wheel, working one wheel at a time. Take your 18-inch Wheel Woolie, dunk it in your wash bucket, and then gently agitate. What you'll love about this brush is just how long it is. The 18-inch length allows you to clean the barrels of the wheel without getting your knuckles too close. You can see here just how well it cleans behind the spokes along with the actual barrel of itself. This especially comes in handy for sports cars with extra wide wheels, and it compresses down into smaller areas. Then use the 9-inch Boar's Hair wheel brush to clean the face of the wheel. This gentle brush will not cause any scratching thanks to its all-natural flagged bristles. Last but not least, you have the 1-inch detail brush to clean the hard-to-reach areas, including the lug nuts. For more information on Wheel Woolies, visit McKees37.com. If you like videos like this, make sure you subscribe. And last but not least, Wheel Woolies brushes are manufactured in the USA.